Okay guys, before we get started with this video, I just want to make sure that to let you guys know that I have already sanitized the place. I wash my hands, use hand sanitizer. The reason I'm not wearing gloves is because it is hard to peel off the label to put it on the boxes. So that's why I make sure that my hands are clean and the place is sanitized before I actually start this process. I wanted to do a detailed video of how I actually package my orders. I had a few orders to do today, so I just wanted to record that for you guys. I use these flat boxes that you have to put them together. I absolutely love these boxes because they are so steady and it's easier to storage them because you have to assemble them yourself. Like I said, you can use a little tissue paper, whichever color you like. They have different colors. I like this particular one. And you're gonna add some, is that shredded paper? I don't know how you call it, but they have different colors. So basically use any color that goes with your brand. And this person ordered 2 oils, and I make sure that I seal the top of the oil because I don't want anything spilling. And I also make sure that I use bubble wrap so that the oil doesn't break, because this bottle is glass. So I want to make sure that there's no spilling, there's no cracking. I want to make sure that my customer receive their package intact. And I just use a little tip to kind of like secure it and hold it in place. And make sure everything looks nice and neat, because presentation is key, guys. When you are doing business, your business will present you, and you have to make sure that your customer have a good experience when they're opening the package for the first time. I know a lot of people kind of like my packaging. They like it, and sometimes I can, make them want to come back because everyone likes something that look good. And when I'm done putting everything together, I like to put my thank you card. And thank you card also include a discount code for the next time they purchase from me, so they can get a return customer discount code. And then once you're done, you're going to make sure you close it up so everything can look nice and neat. And these boxes are pretty sturdy, guys. I love these boxes. If you want to know where I get them, I have several ebooks. I have 5 of them where I buy packaging for cheap, where to buy ingredient for your hair care and skincare, how to grow your Instagram, how to, business 101, basically. I have different ebooks. So check them out in the link below. And what I do is I make sure that I tip this thing like 3 or 4 times, because I don't want anything spilling, opening up. I don't want my customers complaining that, the box was open. So I want to make sure that everything is fully secure. Okay. And when I'm done, I put on the label. As you can see, I have 2 size label. The one that I'm putting here, I printed that with my printer. And then if you look to the left, you see the small one. The small one are from my Wolo printer. My Wolo printer was acting up, so I needed to go and use my actual printer. So that's why you see the labels are different size. And I also, this is my hair growth oil. These bottles are plastic, but I still wrap them in bubble wrap again. Like I said, I want to make sure that everything is well wrapped, okay? Because if the customer receive it, anything spilled, I'm going to have to, it's either refund them or send them another oil. And I use these little poly mailers. When someone order 1 item, I do not use a big box because there's no need for it. So these small little poly mailers I use when someone order 1 thing, just like 1 item. Sometimes I can fit 2 items in there, but I like to use this for 1 item. And then they are so cute and they're pretty sturdy. I just wanted to do a detail packing orders with me, guys, because some people have asked me if you want any more tips, any more advice of how to properly package your orders, specifically Shopify, let me know. And thank you for watching, guys. And guys, as always, don't forget to check out Divine Academy on my website, where you can get all 5 of my ebooks. We have 5 different ebooks. Places to buy your packaging for cheap. Places to buy ingredients for your business. How to grow your Instagram. Business 101. We have everything available for you. Please check out Divine Academy.